Hello, ComfyFutons here, and today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on minecart stations. I've just built this basic thing right here, departing rail, arriving rail. I do a two-rail system so carts don't hit each other in the middle, and this video is for anyone who wants to build a minecart station with pistons in 1.73 dot whatever, and in the future if that's still the best way to do it, and also for any of the people on my server who build a city and want to build their train station to connect to Ebonheart. So right now, I'm just going to get started. This is me and how I'd build a train station. So here we go. First of all, I'm going to make a little platform up here, which is the main train station is going to be. So I'm just going to do this with a little world edit magic. Um, and I'm just going to set that to stone. There we go. And now, that'll probably be a little bigger later, but this is going to be where the main station part is. And then I'm going to have under here all my, little things that, like the mechanics. So, let's see, I'm just going to build a ladder thing here so the carts can get up to the main rail. I'm just going to put this up here. And same thing over here. Of course, you probably want to do this when you're actually building the station because you want all the mechanics to be underground instead of at ground level. But here I want to just everyone to be able to see how it works so they can understand and build it themselves. So this is how I'm going to do it. Actually, let's get this and move it so it'll actually power those. Maybe not. Darn this. Okay, now it's all powered. Now that one's powered. Okay, that's good. So let's see. This is the departing rail, right? Yes. So when I do a departing rail, I put a normal rail and then another powered rail. And then I build a structure like this so that the cart will come up here when it's called and it'll stop and fall on that unpowered rail. In that unpowered rail, we put a button that'll power this one. I'll show you that in a second. So let's see here. You have to build this down this way. And I'm just going to build more stairs here because this is where the carts are going to come from. Okay. So down here, this is going to be where the carts are called from. Sorry, I can't talk today. And they're going to go up here, fall, and fall into that. I'll show you how that works right now. So a cart is called, it goes up here, and falls, and then lands there. And then you can get in, and then when you press a button, it'll activate the cart, and it'll go, okay? So let's set this to last real quick so we can see what we're doing. We'll go under here. So, oops, I just broke the rail. Oh well, we'll let that fall through. So basically, we want to power that rail. So I'm going to put a redstone torch right here. And then we have to make a wire running to it so it'll turn off and on. And we have to make that wired up here too. Let's say a button right here. Or right here. I'm going to put it right here. So this is where the button's going to be. And so when you press that button, it's going to activate a redstone that turns that rail on. So that button is right there. So we need a, let's see, that there, and this here, this here. So now the signal can go down, turn that on. Actually, it needs to switch signals. So we're going to go like that. So now it's off normally. Okay, good. So now we'll put that here, and we'll set this back to stone, knowing that that torch will now turn on that rail. Okay, so now we have this and this. When the cart comes, you hop in the cart, then you press that. What the heck? Oh my god. Nothing works for me. It's off. Oh, I set that to stone again. Stupid me. Okay. Well, now that's not stone. So, see? It turns it on. So when you call a cart, wherever the cart went, there it is. You can place it on this rail. It goes up. Yay. And then once you hop in the cart, oh, it's just, no, the cart's leaving. Oh well, when you hop in the cart and you press that button, it'll turn that on, and you'll be on your way. I'm just going to grab that cart real quick. You can see how that works, right? Anyway, here's the departing area, and this is what I like to do with the arriving area, I'm sorry. Arriving area. So I build another little ladder thing just like before, and I make it fall onto a powered rail just like the other situation. I put this, I put powered rails. I loop this around and it's going to go into a dispenser right here. So let me show you how that works. And this will obviously be a lot different depending on your situation and how compact you have to make it, or if it has to be a certain place. But this is just an example. So this cart, come around, after you get out of it, of course. And it'll go into this tube which can store the carts. Now how I do this is I have some sticky pistons and I also have some half blocks. So the sticky piston and the half block, basically the sticky piston will be right here facing that way, and the half block. So when it's extended, it'll push a cart onto the powered rail, and then it'll go up to the station where you want it. So right now, you have to make this rail angled though, because if you don't make it angled, then the cart will not start moving when it gets pushed by the sticky piston, because for some reason with sticky pistons, it doesn't register the cart moving for powered rails. So you have to make it push it onto a angled rail for it to work. But that's not that big a deal. Let's just power this real quick. And then you have to put a rail up here and then delete it so that it's still angled, but there's no rail where that pushing thing is going to be. And then let's put some carts on here and see what happens. Power this real quick. And there's one cart. And see how it falls down here and it's ready to go. And then whenever this piston receives a redstone signal, it'll push that cart, and see how the half block is just as high as the cart. And when the half block retracts again, the next cart will fall where the other one used to be. So see, it pushes the cart and it ends up right here. And then you would press this button, the cart would go around, and then it would leave. And now let's pretend the cart's coming back. Oh, oops. I would probably want to build the stopper thing, don't you think? Okay. Now it landed on there. That's good. Okay, so now it works all like we're supposed to, like it's supposed to. So that works, that works. You just have to wire this signal up here to call cart button. So let's wire it. I'd say let's put it somewhere near the arriving station. Like we can put the button here for arriving. That's going to call the cart. The cart will come up, and then you get in the cart and press that, and you're on your way. So we just got to wire this now. So let's go this way. That's going to power it, right? Yep. Okay. Where'd all my cobblestone go? There it is. Alrighty then. So we can build a little stair thing here. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Oh, we gotta kind of move around that. Okay, this is the boring part, to lay in the redstone. So I hope you guys stay for this whole thing. But I'll just put some redstone down real quick. Try to do this as quick as possible. Make sure it doesn't connect to any of the other wires. Just gonna throw a repeater in here. And hopefully that'll work. Let's make sure. So we press this, and yep, it works. Okay, so let's put, like, first of all, this needs to be powered. Okay. Let's give ourselves 4 minecarts. And there, oh, oops. Well, that minecart didn't work. It's 1 minecart, 2 minecarts, 3 minecarts. Okay, now all the minecarts are in a stack in the dispenser. And then you just want to press the button, and it'll call 1 cart. And then that cart's ready. Then you press this. The cart goes on its way once you're in it. And then the cart comes back. It falls onto there. And now we're going to build this part. So we have to build like a 3x3 area and put some pressure plates down. Let's see, stone pressure plate. There we go. So you can put like 6 pressure plates down, and then you want to build like a border so they can't get off without pressing the pressure plates. You know? Then I guess you can build like something like this so they can't go that way. So the only way they can get off is go to the pressure plates. And then you have to build something under here, like so that all the pressure plates are connected and go to that. So you want to build a kind of system like this, so no matter which pressure plate is pressed, it's going to power all that. Like, see how it powers the whole thing? And you got to get those pressure plates to power that rail right there. So let's see. You don't have to put one there because that pressure plate's right next to the cart, as you can see. But these pressure plates also have to activate that rail. So let me remember how I did this. Oh, right. You go over here, then you go down. Oh, wait, sorry. You have to go over here and go, because you have to run a wire straight into the redstone torch. So the redstone torch is right there. Of course, it's on right now. We got to flip the signal. So we put another redstone torch to make that off. And now whichever pressure plate you step on, it's going to activate that. And then this can be the little exit to your, you can put fences or anything you want to make it look pretty. I'm just making it really ugly right now as an example. So I think we got the whole station about working right now. And like I said, this is really ugly, and so you know, but this I just built it like this so you guys could see how it works. So basically, I'm going to call the cart, it's going to come up, fall in there, you get in, you press it, you're going to be on your merry way. And now we're back on the arriving track. You're going to fall there. When you get out of the cart, it's going to push the cart, and it's going to go back into the dispenser. And that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. All you people making cities, this is how I want you to design it so it runs smoothly like the one in the main city. And I'll see you guys later. This has been ComfyFutons. Have a nice day.